This camera is pretty special to me. The Lubitel 2 was actually my first ever film camera. It's the one that made me fall in love with analog photography. Back then, I had no idea how to use it, so I just kept it on a shelf because it looked cute and vintage. I never actually took photos with it. Over time, I started shooting more film, but this camera just stayed there, untouched. I didn't even know if it still worked, so this time I finally gave it a try. I loaded with black and white film and went out to see what it could do. Shooting with it was honestly a bit tricky. The shutter lever and cooking lever are super close, so I kept mixing them up. And focusing was tough. There is a tiny magnifier on top, but it's not easy to tell if your subject is actually sharp. You really have to take your time and be patient. But I had fun. I even tried using the self-timer. It was so cute, a little ticking clock before the shot. It made taking the portrait feel extra special. It was slow, but in a good way. I enjoyed the process, just being present and careful with each frame. The photos turn out softer than I expected. They kind of feel like the scene from the old movie. There is dreamy, nostalgic texture that I really love. Some of the shots have white line on the top. Not sure if it's light leak or something else. Maybe it needs a little fix. But honestly, I don't mind it. It's not my everyday camera and it adds the whole vintage vibe. Also, I was especially happy with how the timer portraits came out. It felt like a small win, getting the focus right on those. It was really good day and I'm glad I finally gave this camera a chance. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And let me know in a comment what camera should I test next and which film should I try.